I had been sitting inside all night and all day. Behind the computer screen or the television screen, it made me cross-eyed. I got a headache. What a waste. This is no life for me. What a waste. I have to flee. Walking by, I noticed that people were not looking at each other. There was no longer eye contact. Their whole world happened in that little screen. The outside world consisted only of sound. They arrived at their destination automatically, without even thinking about the route they had to take to get there. What a waste! So much to see. What a waste! Don't you agree? If I had done just like them, I would have seen a cat accidentally get a piece of cake in its face. A small child biting his brother's finger. An emotional young man telling us to leave someone named Brittany alone. Some people trying to imitate a blank, or whatever. But then I wouldn't have looked into your eyes. That would have been such a waste. What a waste! Don't you agree? What a waste! But I was lucky. No time to waste. As you will see.